Grow these cute and romantic indoor plants to bring love vibes to your home. You can even gift these to your favorite people. 1. Moon Cactus. This beautiful grafted cactus features colorful ball-shaped tops in bright red, yellow, orange, or pink color, with small, sharp spines on curved veins. 2. Pink Moonstone. Pink Moonstone displays a rosette of plump pink leaves that range to blue lavender as well. It can also be a wonderful succulent to gift to your loved ones. 3. Pebble Plant. The cute stemless heart-shaped leaves look like gray stones with red mottling on the flat surface. This very popular desert plant looks great on tabletops. 4. Poinsettia. If you're looking for a romantic red addition to your indoor garden, then the Astro Red variety of this houseplant could be an excellent choice for you. 5. Flowering Kalanchoe. This flowering succulent looks marvelous when it blooms. The plant stays compact and does well in a well-lit place. 6. Echeveria. The many varieties of Echeveria showcase light pink, curvy, slightly upward leaves. Pick any variety you like from the garden center, and it'll be a perfect gift. 7. String of Hearts. This perfect, romantic, trailing succulent has delicate, heart-shaped leaves on thin vines. The leaves have a dark green hue, marbled in silver on the upper side and green to purple on the undersides. 8. Heartleaf Hoya. Heartleaf Hoya's romantic appeal gets enhanced by its solid single-rooted leaf. The bright green heart-shaped leaves with white or creamy yellow variegation on the center look adorable. 9. Orchid. Orchids signify beauty and love. These gorgeous houseplants offer beautiful flowers on and off all year. They're easy to grow and thrive well in indirect sunlight. Thanks for watching, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.